Cover crop. I said about cover crops briefly before. So here, this is rye. In America, do you guys know the rye? It's kind of like wheat. It grows really tall like here. We plant it in the fall. Let's say we grew a crop of corn or beans. We harvested our corn and beans. We plant the rye in the fall. It grows in the fall, covers the ground in the winter. In the spring, it grows up tall. In about May, maybe, this is again, I'm talking about American seasons, but about May it becomes very tall. Then you can just mow it or cut it down. It just dies. It already put all its energy into making a flower, but at the time when it's flowering, the seed is not there yet, but it put all its energy, so you cut it, and now you have this thick layer of plant material on top of the ground. Then you don't have to till. You just make a hole in the plant material and you plant what you want there. Or some people till just a very small strip and then they plant in that strip. This person had corn. They harvested the corn, then they planted oats in between. Or no, this is probably wheat, actually, wheat in between. Then in the next spring, they can harvest that wheat. And then again, the straw's on the ground. They can plant whatever they want the next. So you have two crops, the winter crop and the summer crop. So this one is a not harvesting crop, and this is a harvesting crop. This one here, you can see they had the wheat. They harvested the wheat. There's the wheat straw, and they're growing corn. So you can do a cycle. Some people do cycles of 2. Some people do cycles of 3. Some people in the winter time, like here, you can't really see it, but there's probably some kind of peas in with the rye in that picture.